Kia Sportage QL. Front door window glass replacement. Front door window glass removal. 1. Remove the front door trim. Refer to front door trim. 2. Remove the front door belt inside weather strip, A. 3. Remove the front door window glass mounting hole plug, A. Caution: be careful not to drop the glass and/or scratch the glass surface. Aligning the front door window glass. Use the door switch to align the mounting hole bolt with the hole in the door. If unable to operate the window motor, remove the motor and align the hole by hand. 4. Carefully adjust the front door window glass, A, until the bolts are visible, then loosen them. Separate the glass from the glass run and carefully pull the glass out through the window slot. Installation. Install in the reverse order of removal. Front door window glass test and adjustment. Roll the glass up and down to see if it moves freely without binding. Adjust glass position as needed. Make sure the door locks and opens properly. Replace any damaged clips. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.